Namaste everyone, this is Saloni here. And firstly, I want to thank each one of you for taking out your time to watch this video. Great to see you all here. And before getting started, I want to tell you something that you are an amazing person, and I hope that you and your family have a safe year ahead. And I'm really excited. Let's get started. Do you struggle every morning thinking what to wear and you end up wearing the same clothes every morning? Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So, here are 50 outfits for you when you have nothing to wear. I actually wanted to keep my first outfit as the most common thing that most of us have. Yes, that's the plain white t shirt. Pairing up with the white sneakers and a plain white tee. And yes, don't forget to roll up your pants to give it a more classy and finished look. With a plain black belt and a good red lipstick. Just look how classy this whole outfit looks. So, yes, we are good to go. For the moving, let's style it in a different way. Pair it up with your bell bottoms or a plain black jeans and wear a shrug. Look how classy this looks. White and black always looks actually good. I love the combination. And if you don't want to wear your shrug, you can always drop your shrug from your shoulders and just tie a knot. The same outfit in a different way. And this looks actually very simple and elegant. You can wear this outfit in your college and whenever you want to go out with your friends, pair it up with the white sneakers to give it a more finish and good look. And our next outfit is with a plain black t-shirt. Tuck it under your pants and look, this is such a simple outfit. Pair it with your sports shoes. A black and white sports shoes looks really good with the black pants. Yes, girl, I know your first priority is comfortable clothes, but the question is how to style loose clothes. Alright, let's see. A white loose tee with plazo pants. This is really comfortable. Tuck your corners of your t shirt under your plazo pants. And look, this looks so comfortable and elegant. You can also tie up a knot in front of your t shirt, and this is so comfortable. You can wear the same outfit in summers as well. This is so loose and comfortable and it looks so good at the same time. Pair it up with a good pair of boots and your sunglasses. And for our next outfit, we are again going to pair up the same plazo pants. This one's a very loose t-shirt which I'm wearing. Tuck it inside your plazo pants. Wear a really good belt and some good accessories. And your shoes. I love these maroon shoes. They look so good together. Plazo pants and a loose t-shirt. The overall look of the outfit is so simple and good. And here we are going to pair the same clothes which we did earlier. The plain loose t-shirt and my pants pairing up with my white sneakers and my college bag. This outfit is like a good to go outfit for college wear and we are ready. Almost everyone has a striped tee in their wardrobe, so let's see how we can style them up. Pairing it up with my jeans, my innerwear spaghetti and my bag and black boots. And for the second one, I'm wearing my potion blue skirt, my college bag and my two space buns and my maroon patent shoes. This looks so cute. And for the third one, we are going to pair it up with my striped pants. Just tuck it inside your pants and now here we have our perfect college outfit and we are good to go. One plain dress in 6 ways. Yes, girl, you heard it right. This one's for a party wear, a really good neck piece, and a low bun. This looks good. And the second one, you can wear a dress as a top. Just tuck it inside your bell bottoms or your normal pants. And look, this looks so good. The layers are looking so good together. Wow, I really love this outfit. And yes, you can also make your dress a short one. If you have a long length dress, just wear a belt and then pull it upwards. And here we go, we have a short dress too. Wow. and a semi-formal look. So here's the same dress wearing a sleeveless coat to give it a more semi-formal look with a bun and ankle length boots. Now roll up your sleeves to give it a more semi-formal and classy look. I really love the combination of maroon and black together. Just look at the final styling of this outfit. You can actually style this in so many different ways. If you're not comfortable in short clothes, don't worry. You can always wear a legging inside your short dress. If you want a different look, convert your long dress into a short one and pair it up with a good stockings and a bun. This is a different look, really. So you might have different questions like how can I pair one thing in different outfits? This video is for you. Watch it till the end. So herein we are pairing our turtleneck with a black plain skirt and a sling bag and ankle length boots. The same turtleneck layering with the bodycon party dress. The turtleneck is inside my dress, taking my bag and my ankle length boots for the same one and pairing up with a plain gold chain. It looks so good together. Layering is always a better option when you are confused about what to wear and what not. So this outfit reminds me of Lakme Fashion Week. I wore this 2 years back and I'm happy to wear it again for this shoot. Pairing up with the same turtleneck with my bell bottoms, you can also wear a plain black jeans with golden accessories and heels. And if you're not comfortable in heels, you can always wear plain black shoes or boots. If you don't have a lot of clothes to wear, don't worry. Try borrowing it from your brother, dad, or your boyfriend. This is a very long t-shirt. I'm pairing up with my boots and my jeans. Tuck it inside your jeans and take the same color bag and a cap. This is my brother's striped shirt. I really love the color combination of this one, silver and black. Rolling up my sleeves, and you can also wear it like this. You can just leave it open, or if you don't like it in this way, just open up your buttons and tie a knot in front of your shirt. So herein we converted a men's wear shirt in a very different way, and you can wear this in your college as well. It looks good together and looks very stylish as well at the same time. Roll up your sleeves a little bit, and here's the next outfit. The same shirt in a different way. Wear your shirt with your long skirt pairing up with silver and black belt and my glasses. This looks cool and pretty at the same time. I've also rolled up my sleeves a little bit, and this is my dad's shirt, a plain white shirt which most of us have. I'm wearing my coat's belt, but you can go with any belt of your choice, and pairing up with the same color of my belt, same color belt and shoes with my sunglasses. Whoa, this is like a cool outfit. This is my brother's hoodie, which I'm wearing it as a dress, pairing up with my boots and a bun and a long sweatshirt with skirt. The same sweatshirt. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Layering the sweatshirt, and this is like an old school look, wearing it with my stockings, and you can also see the white and Persian blue color together with ankle length boots. And yeah, I love this outfit. You can actually style one shirt in so many ways. So the next one is the plain shirt and stockings. Wear a really good pair of black belt. You can also wear this outfit like this if you want. It looks like a dress now, but I want to make it a little more semi-formal look, so I'm going to wear my sleeveless blazer to give it a more classy and a semi-formal look. So look at the shirt converted into a semi-formal one, and again wearing my black ankle boots with my handbag. You can wear your one skirt in 4 ways. Let's see how. So this is the most common thing that most of us love to wear, pairing up with my white loose t-shirt and tying a really good knot and the basic white sneakers. This looks so good together. And for the next one, just see what we are going to do. Pull your long skirt upwards, and now you have your long skirt into a short one. So again, the same outfit, just this time I'm layering same short inside the skirt. And this is like a tube dress, wearing it with the same black shrug to give it a more good look. This looks so good, with accessories and my sunglasses, and tying a knot and pairing up my black sports shoes so that I can wear it anytime. Animal print. So here we go. So next time whenever you go out for shopping, buy a very loose top, and you can make the same top in so many different ways. Herein I'm wearing a plain black belt, so it looks so good together, and pairing up with my same bell bottoms and my heels and golden neck piece. This looks good, and just taking my sling bag so that I can carry it anywhere. And for the next one, yeah, so here's the next one. Wearing it as a dress, it looks good, but if you're not comfortable to wear this short thing, you can go with legging. I'm wearing a stocking. It's fine if you wear a legging inside and make it a short dress with same ankle length boots. And again, the same XL top for a party wear, wearing it with my long skirt, tying a bun, and wearing my golden earrings and my heels. This looks so party wear. So girl, you can wear your spaghetti as a outfit. Can you imagine? Let's style it. Wearing a plain white shirt inside, my two space buns, stockings, and my sports shoes. For the next one, the same outfit with a sleeveless coat. So you can wear this anytime because it gives a sort of semi-formal look, and wearing it with my high length boots, so it looks pretty good and different as well. And for the next one, this is like wearing my plain spaghetti and my zebra print jacket, tying a knot, wearing ankle length boots, open hair, and bandana. This is like so trendy. So we are pairing it up with our plazo pants and patent shoes and my bag. And I'm just wearing a plain golden neck piece. And if you're not comfortable in the previous outfit, you can always pair up a good jacket. And I'm wearing my inner short dress spaghetti, but you can also wear a black jeans and my handbag and a white neck piece with my ankle length boots. So this looks pretty good with a high bun, and yeah. Monochrome outfits are actually easy to pair up. Here I'm actually playing with different textures, but you can always go with different shades of the same color. I'm going to pair up my favorite colors, and this one's a Persian blue outfit. It's really look good. And this is a maroon outfit with my skirt, and this also looks very nice, maroon on maroon, and my shoes are also patent maroon. So I'm just playing up with textures, and when you are so confused that what to wear, go black on black. This is like the most easiest outfit. Yes, you can wear your party wear bodycon dress as a casual wear as well. So let's see this one. The first one, we are going to pair it up with boots and my black bodycon dress for a really good party wear dress. And this one's like, this is for a casual wear dress, pairing it up with my jacket. You can also pair the same bodycon dress with a shrug, but I feel this jacket is giving a very different touch to the whole outfit. You can also wear your bodycon dress as a skirt. Just pair it up with a loose t-shirt and tie a knot, and yeah, you're good to go with your plain ankle length boots or normal shoes. Let's see how we can convert our satin night suit into an outfit, pairing up with a jeans, black t-shirt inside, and my shoes. And this is like a sort of amazing and party wear. I'm wearing my socks and my inner spaghetti inside to give it a skirt kind of look, and tying a knot and putting it inside the satin top. White t-shirt, sneakers and black skirt. You can convert your cycling shorts into different outfits. Let's see how. So this one's a loose t-shirt and I'm putting it inside my cycling shorts. Wearing my sunglasses, taking my greyish color bag and my sports shoes. So the next outfit is also very different. We are going to pair it up with jacket and a tube top inside. This outfit turned out to be so amazing. I'm wearing my coat and my heels, my bag and my golden accessories and my sunglasses. Big thank you to you all. I hope you enjoyed the video and keep exploring. Live your life to the fullest, and if you're new to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notifications on my further videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.